Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to generate a Google Gemini API key so you can start building and integrating AI features into your apps. This process allows you to access Gemini models and unlock powerful capabilities like text generation and automations. On your browser, we will go to AI Studio at aistudio.google.com. This is also where we access Google Gemini. Once we are here, we just need to click Get API Key on the lower left side. Then we will click Create API Key, and from here we will be generating a new key. This will give us our Gemini API key. If you already have one, you just need to set up the billing by clicking on that option. Once you click, your API key will appear, and that is how we create it. We can generate a Google Gemini API key in just a few simple steps. Now, we are ready to start using AI in our projects.